Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry I haven't done a video in a while. We are going to do a hatchet rebuild, restore, whatever you want to call it. Grandpa gave me this. It's pretty interesting. Been around for a while. As you can see that the head is on backwards. I think that should be flipped around. That kind of tell from that curve here. The handle's in still good shape. I'm just going to pull that steel wedge out of there. And I'm going to take a few photos of it before I start sanding it. But there's no cracks in this wood. Just some old faded paint. So I think what we're going to do is we're just going to sand that all down. We'll get the rust removed off that head. And then we'll linseed oil and rehang this thing. I'll put a fresh wedge in there and then a steel wedge. Hang it properly and bada bing, bada boom. Well, I'll get a leather sheath to protect that edge. I'll sharpen it. We got ourselves a little hatchet. Hold on. See if we can set you up here so you can see. Hold on, I gotta get that little wedge out of there. See if I can get that out. Uh-oh. Might need a flat screwdriver to start on just to get that to go. Oh, I think I got her moving. There we go. Something's happening here. Okay, we're close. Oh, it's just a piece of steel. Look at that. So, oh no, might have been a wedge at one point. Whatever. We'll get a fresh one. We'll get a wood one in there first. Then we'll get a fresh one and go that way. But we got some different work to do here. We're going to sand this baby down and get rid of this rust. I think what I might do is I might try like a vinegar bath or something. Just because I've never tried it. See if we can get this out. See. Oh yeah. Yeah, that still looks good. A little bit of wood kind of gone here, but I think once we put in a good solid wood wedge in there, and I might soak this in linseed oil right beforehand, so it's because it's pretty dry. Yeah, I think this will work. This will work. I'll give you a quick little preview. Kind of quick preview. That should be how it should look. I'd say, hey. Maybe not. I don't know. Did I even flip it? But anywho, stay tuned for the next step. Hey guys, welcome back. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's this been in there for about 24 hours, maybe a bit longer actually. Definitely working. So we're going to take this out. I don't know if this is, look at this black on there. Can you guys see that? Is that just like a chemical reaction to a heat treat? Like a heat treatment that went that deep? Is a definite line there, eh? Not too sure what the hell that means. Or maybe there was paint there that I didn't notice. I don't know. Kind of interesting. See what you guys say, but there's definitely markings here. I think this is forged, this steel. But anyways, yeah, we're going to clean this up here. I might pause you for a second. I forgot that scrubby that's in the house, of course. So I'll go grab that. And we'll get cleaning that up, and then we will sand the handle. Look at the freaking garage here. I gotta clean this up. This is a fucking mess. Sorry, guys. But yeah, okay. So I'll hit pause here, and then we'll do that. And we'll do that. Okay, guys. It probably took me about 5 minutes, but if you can see on here, you can't really see it. You can make out a few letters, and you can make out some of this stuff here. Bring it close so you can kind of see. But this is what I got out of it. Dependable hickory. OP Link Handle Company. Salem, Indiana, USA. Pretty sure that's what I'm seeing here. So yeah, I'm going to go and look online. This hatchet's really, it seems to be really old, so I want to see if I can find any history on it and figure out if where it came from. It could be a replacement handle. That's very possible, but yeah, I'm gonna do some digging and see. That's kind of where it used to sit, which is actually looks pretty good, but I forced it down a lot more now, so we're gonna have to go until it stops. Maybe a bit more. That's not bad. I don't know, it kind of looks like it's pointed forward, which that's what I would say. But so if it is, now I made a mark. You guys didn't see me do it. I made a mark on my new wedge. Where the hell did I put my new wedge? How the hell do I lose shit that quick? How do I lose shit that fast? Fuck, I made a mark on there and everything. Oh, yeah, sorry. Pissing around here. Okay. Okay, I see. See the mark here I made? If my wedge goes into the wood that deep, I gotta stop. Because it'll be bottoming out. So I trimmed this one down. I kind of wrecked the old one. So let's try this now. I don't know if I put this to the back, the ugly side to the back. Okay, and that's just the oil on there, if you're wondering, is just linseed oil. Okay. Ooh. See the mark? I made that mark. We're gonna call that good. Probably as tight as it needs to be. It feels real tight now, guys. I get that oil. I can just go on the handle, no problem. Kind of made a bit of a mark in the handle here from the vise. Whatever. We won't tell Mom. We'll just leave that like that. Okay, so I'm gonna have to cut it, I guess. I guess I'm gonna be satisfied with that. It kind of looks crooked, but I don't care anymore. There's not much I can do. It's a little bit of just a cheap axe. Grandpa gave it to me, I'll keep it. Oh look, I have a crack here. Anyway, so I'll clamp this in and we'll trim that right off. I'll leave it proud about 1/4 inch. And then I'm gonna add a steel wedge. I'm gonna have to probably go buy one. And you know why? Because I have one in this garage somewhere, I think, like a little guy, but don't know what I did with it. So I'll have to go find one, buy one, and then we'll be good. That's how it works, right? That's how you find stuff, is you gotta go buy it. Then you locate it. Anyways, let's cut this. Probably leave it about 1/4 inch proud. Let's get this so it's not gonna move on me. Okay. There we go. Now we're cooking. Oh. Okay. There we go. That's a little proud. I could probably grind that down a bit more, which I might. I might do that. But that doesn't look too bad. Good from far, but far from good. See if you guys can kind of see what I mean. This here is misconceiving because of the way this has been ground. Like this should be, see how it's got chamfer on here, but not here? It's confusing when you look at it. So just whatever. It's just, I might even freaking fix that up. I could do that right now if I really want. Yeah, I kind of smartened it up a little bit, I suppose. But you see what I mean. Anyways, it's pretty straight. Like it's maybe a little bit crooked, but not by much. Anyways, I'm going to put this steel wedge in there. You guys, I think, know what to do at that point. We're going to go crossways on the grain. And then grind that all flush. Give this another sand finish. And that's going to be it, guys. Hey, little refurbish. Definitely tight. It's definitely not moving. For sure, it's solid. I'll go test it in the wood. Right on, guys. Hey, guys. I'm back. So I picked up some wedges. So we'll see if we can install that quick. I got some different sizes here. I'm thinking, let's take a look here. Like that's already just good as it is. Seems to be holding. But I'm fussy, so I'm gonna put a steel wedge in there as well. And I think I'm gonna go with this guy. I don't know, it looks pretty darn thick. Maybe I could just get away with this small one. What do you guys think? I don't know. This one looks pretty darn thick. I think that's going to split the wood. I think I might just go with this guy. Yeah, I think that's what we're going to do. We'll do a little something different here. We're going to... I don't know if it really matters, but we're going to just put a little bit of oil on it. Maybe it'll sink in a little better. Okay. Now, if you can see, I'll try and bring it a little closer. The grain is kind of on this way. So I will put this in. I'm thinking the opposite will go. Grab myself a little hammer, ball peen. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna go. I kind of thought about sharpening this a little bit too, so it seats in nice. But I think this will work just fine. I don't know. There's a crack right there. Just stay a little ways from that. I think I'll go right here. All right, ready? Here goes nothing. Oh ho ho! I'm happy with that, guys. I don't know. Looks okay to me. Let's go chop it in some wood, eh? Oh, let's try this little baby out here. Not a very good piece, but well, it hasn't moved. Hasn't moved yet. Now if I could hit this thing bang on, that would help. Right into a knot. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I think that'll do it.